Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the jump starter is rated for a 12V automotive battery and has at least a half charge. This prevents damage and ensures cranking power. Once done, position the vehicle in park and switch off ignition and all accessories so there's no load during the jump. Now locate the battery terminals, expose corrosion, and wipe them clean if needed. You'll attach the red clamp to positive and the black clamp to a grounded metal point. Do not connect black to the negative terminal yet. You firmly attach the red clamp to the positive terminal first to avoid sparking on the ground connection. Then, clip the black clamp to a clean, unpainted metal spot on the chassis or engine block at least several inches from the battery. This provides a safer ground and reduces hydrogen spark risk. Once clamps are secure, switch the jump starter on and select jump or crank mode if it has options. Wait the manufacturer-specified seconds so internal relays stabilize before you attempt to start the engine. You attempt to start the car while monitoring lights and sounds. If it cranks and fires, keep the engine running for several minutes to recharge the battery. Once the car runs, turn the jump starter off before disconnecting clamps. Remove the black ground clamp first, then the red positive clamp to prevent shorting. If the engine doesn't start, wait 2 to 3 minutes with the starter connected and try again. If repeated attempts fail, the battery may be deeply discharged or the starter/fuel system could be the issue. Seek professional help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.